Hello, sweethearts. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, sweethearts, Soulfull curl from Freetress. Half feed in, half crochet. You want to know just how I got this done? Stay tuned. And our beautiful subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Let's get right into it, you guys. Okay, I've washed and conditioned my hair last night. I also braided this up last night. I just didn't want too much tension on my head. Sometimes if you braid it early or a day before, then it won't be as tight when you crochet it. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. You guys, make sure you check out this anti-itch serum. It goes perfect with braids or when you're trying to lock your hair up. Now, I did get this hair at my local beauty supply store, the Soulfull Curl, you guys, only $13. One pack. This is all I needed for my whole entire head. You don't need no more than that unless you want to go, extremely long and extremely full. Then you can use more packs. Make sure you're splitting your hair into two. You can also split it into three, whatever works for you. You guys, I am so sorry if I did not get the angle right on how you can see how I'm doing these. I'm only going to tie it one time and then I'm going to wrap it one time and then tie it one time. That's pretty much all you need for this hair. Why? Because it's long. So you don't need to tie it or wrap it up as many times. If it was short, then that's a different story. I also had to retie or relock my natural hair, my natural braids in the back because it didn't stay the first time I did it. So make sure it stays. A lot of people are tying it up with string and all of that and putting bobby pins in. That's just doing too much. But if you want to do that for it to stay, then do what you have to do. Loves, as you can see, I did braid this braid in the middle of my head, and that's because I did want to make sure the crochets are very close together for the half down in the back, just to make it look a little more professional. Make sure you're closing all the gaps. Make sure there's nothing showing, no braid showing when you're putting this crochet hair in. Okay, sweetheart, so we are on the last one. See, I like this fullness of it. I don't like it too full, too thick, and I definitely don't like it too long. It is summertime, and I don't like a lot of hair to be sitting on my back. Okay, remember when you're cutting, cut downward. Do not cut from side to side. Make sure as you're braiding to condition your scalp, oil it so your hair won't be dry as your hair is up. Braiding gel. I'm not a fan of using it, but actually I'm a believer now. I'm telling you, this braiding gel works perfectly for you. It's for beginners as well because it'll keep your hair in place. So try this braiding gel out. When starting your braid, make sure you start with a small amount of hair, like a tiny amount, and then continue to braid forward. When you're adding your hair in, you're going to put the hair between your thumb and your index finger, and you're going to braid lightly. Please do not braid too tight because remember, your edges are right there. Actually, you can add another piece to this. I actually off camera, I re-braided this braid because I wanted the braid to be a little thicker than what it was. So my loves, yes, this is a feed in braid. And guess what? You can do it. All you got to do is take your time, slow this video down, watch my fingers, and you got this. We are not going to dip these. We're going to keep it curly on the ends. So we're just going to thin like a little piece of hair and then tie that around the braid twice, just so it won't go anywhere. I'm going to be adding my Magic Fingers mousse just to the braids. You don't have to do it over your whole head. You guys, I love Magic Fingers. I feel like I got the whole line. I am using this nourishing scalp oil to finish it off, you know. Check it all out in the description box below. All right, sweethearts, if you want to, you can add a scarf just to flatten it out, just to keep it a little nice and neat. I'll also do this every night before I go to bed. I'll put this scarf on, and then I'll even add a bonnet on the top of it just to keep it nice and neat. Okay, as you guys know about my instant control for my edges, I swear it works. Just check it out, you guys. Try it and let me know how you feel about it. And these are the finished results, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I love you even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, sweetheart, you still here? Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon.